Hello, beautiful people. Hello, everyone. Hello to my dearly beloved family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always supporting this channel. I really do appreciate. But before I start, a very wonderful Merry Christmas celebration to each and every one of us, my beloved Agatha, my family. I can't just do without you. Thank you so dearly for always supporting. I really appreciate. If you're just seeing my face for the first time, this is Agatha Progress, and I bring it to you back to back. Please, this year, the bat's running to an end. Do well to subscribe and join this beautiful family.
Then say they are going to be the pastor in a church, or you will not have a non-traditionalist say that they're going to be Dibia or Babalawo or Boka. This is about Nigeria. This is about telling Isaac in Gaza. Political leadership is about telling Isaac in Gaza. Let me speak also for those who I don't know how to. It's about economics, economic empowerment. How are you able to carry your people from where they are to be able to take them above? That's what political leadership is all about. Political leadership is not about what your religion is, what your tribe is, what your gender is. No, those are your own thing. It's who is the person that is able to come and carry this thing. Who is the person that is able to come and lift the people to be at the place where they are? You need empathy. You need leaders with empathy. Buhari is going to Lagos. Buhari is going for a book launch. Buhari is smiling. He's laughing. The person that was hiding his teeth is now laughing all over the place. The person that was crying before he got into power, now also the power in the villa has entered into him, and that's it. The North is being disseminated. The North is being killed. People are being killed. Things are being destroyed. The North was in this part in Nigeria. The North was the one that is behind in almost every human development indices. And today, instead of ensuring that they catch up, he's taking them back the more. Businesses are closing down. People can't travel. People can't work. Is that what is going to continue? And you say that, namu kaniya, namu banza. Ina amfanin gayyar sodi. What is the essence of having people, numbers of people, and they are more or less useless to the society? Up till now, we are not still talking about the issue of Almajiranchi. We are not still talking about the issue of people giving birth and not looking after the children. We are not still talking about the issue of some man will sit down with barely salary that is enough to take care of wife and his children, and he's thinking of marrying more wives. We are not talking about the people that they will marry a woman after 5, 6, 7 children, drive her away, go and get another girl, marry her, and start producing. Yes, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that we should procreate. We should give birth to children so that on the day of judgment, he will look at his ummah, he will be happy that his people. But he didn't say we should give birth to terrorists. He didn't say that we should give birth to people who are killing. Never, there's no part of Islam that says that you should be the transgressor. Never. It says you must never be the transgressor. But the thing is that when anybody come after you, you must never turn your back. You must stand your right and fight. That's what jihad is all about, fighting for your right, emancipating. But yet people are sitting down. People are praying. You are praying. You are being killed. You are praying. Addu'a me ake yi. Wai ana addu'a. Yo kumfa annaba addu'a ne? Annabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam addu'a ce karbabbiya ce, yana yi ana karba. Yana yi ana karba. Shi yasa ma a lokacin idan mutum yana da bashi, idan mutum ya mutu za a yi sallar jana'iza, Annabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam yakan tambaya wane yana da bashi, idan yana da bashi, idan akwai wanda ya dauki nauyi bashin shi wanda zai biya bashin, Annabi zai maka sallar jana'iza na zai dau sallah, amma in babu zai sa wani yayi. Saboda me? Saboda addu'a Annabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam karbabbiya ce, yana yi ana karba. Amma duk da haka da aka zo mishi da hari yana zuwa yaƙi. Amma yau wai mutane su zauna ana nan ana kakkashe mutane, ana nan ana ɗauka mutane ana kakkashe mutane, wai a ce wai a zauna kawai a addu'a ka ai komai. Ina aka taɓa addu'a ba wani abun ba. Ina aka taɓa wai a zauna wai addu'a, to mu zauna a cikin gida mu kan mu fita neman abinci mu ta addu'a ai. daga nan ma yadda wata kanwa ta ce to ai daga nan ma sai mutum ma ya zauna kawai sai dai mu ta addu'a mu ce Allah ya sa mu shiga aljanna, mutum ya ki sallah, mutum ya ki azumi, mutum ya ki abubuwan da ya kamata ya kawai mu zauna mu ta addu'a mu ce Allah ya sa mu shiga cikin aljanna, tunda yanzu addu'a ne kawai za a rika yi. Wannan irin aibi ne wannan haka? What is this? How are we going to continue in this way? How are we going to continue like this? Sabida me? Buhari shekara ɗaya da wani abin da ya rage in ya fita gaba ɗaya ya riga ya maimaye arewa? Ba a bar manyan ba, ba a bar masu ilimi ba, ba a bar waɗanda ba su da ilimi ba, ba a bar talaka ba, ba a bar masu arziki ba, ba a bar waɗanda suke shugabanci ba, ba a bar waɗanda suke suna nan abinan mutane da mutanen gari da kuma su talaka da sauransu, duk ba wanda aka bari, kowa da kashewa ake yi. Kana cikin gidanka baka tsira ba, kana masallaci baka tsira ba, kana kan hanya baka tsira ba, kana kasuwa baka tsira ba, ka sha ka ci ka koshi baka tsira ba, yunwa ka kwana da yunwa baka tsira ba, kana da riga baka tsira ba, baka da riga baka tsira ba, kina mace baki tsira ba, kana namiji baka tsira ba, yara basu tsira ba, manya basu tsira ba. To me ake? What kind of life is this? Ya za a ce wai ai shiru, wai ana kallon shi. Muhammadu Buhari, wannan shugaban ƙasar na Muhammadu Buhari, he could go all around the country during election 2015, the 2019, 2018, 2019, he went all around the 36 states. Da tsufan shi sai da ya wannan, da rashin lafiyan shi sai da ya tafiya na, he went to every state, he was asking for votes. Amma wai a ce yau a kashe mutane irin wannan kisan, an kashe mutane zabarmari. Have you forgotten zabarmari? What happened? People were killed, people were slaughtered. Buhari, did he go? Now they are talking about people being burnt in their car. Chinonso Eze, hello, welcome here. People are being burnt. People have been burnt. Human beings like us, and we are quiet. The people that have died, they will not die again. No. The next to die are those of us that are alive. So when we are talking now, we are not talking for the people that have died. They finished their journey. They are done with this world. They are facing the hereafter. It is those of us that are alive. Whatever we are saying, it is us we are talking for, not for those that have died. Yeah? How will people sit down? Yo, common banza ko bazaka iyo come. Even if you cannot do anything, at least show empathy. Go and meet them. What does it take for Buhari to enter into jet, presidential jet? Ache by now, he has already landed in Sokoto. Ache by now, ya zauna da mutane, a ganshi cikin mutane ya zauna, yana kuka tare da su. Ache ya zauna yana musu ku yi haƙuri. Ku yi haƙuri abin nan da ya ku ɗauka, ku yi haƙuri. Ya musu jaje. Ya musu ta'aziyya, ya zauna da su, ya kuka da su, ya ce musu idan Allah ya yarda abin nan zai bi wannan abu da mutanen nan da suke duk sai an bi su an musu abin da an hukunta su yadda ya kamata. Amma shiru, ko magana. So what you have done is that you have sent a precedent. The next president that will come will do worse than this. Because they have already shown him that he can do anything and nothing will happen. I see a lot of Nigerians thinking that things cannot be worse than this. Wallahi, you're joking. Because 2015, all of us, we thought things cannot be worse than 2014, 2015. And even when some of us were talking, we were being insulted. When we say, see what is happening, even 2015, I was saying, I'm not seeing the difference. This man is not doing anything different from what we are seeing. He has not entered power. He's being arrogant. He's not speaking on issues. When he enters, even when he enters, people will say, leave it now. Must the president say anything? Yes, the president must say everything. The president, Emmanuel Adamu, give us the way forward. Don't ask me for the way forward. You voted people into office. The way forward is to hold the people into office accountable. You sit down and you'll be asking your fellow citizens, way forward. Go and ask Buhari, where is your way forward? You are paying him salary. Go and ask your state governor, where is your way forward? Go and ask your local government chairman, where is your way forward? Go and ask your senator, where is your way forward? Go and ask your House of Rep member, where is your way forward? Go and ask your state House of Assembly member, where is your way forward? That's what we must do. We must stop this nonsense of asking fellow citizens for a way forward. Your fellow citizen does not owe you a way forward. The people that they are using your money to pay them, they are the people who owe you a way forward. Honestly, this thing needs to stop. We can't continue like this. This is not the way things should be at all. We need to stop this. And if we keep quiet, it's going to get worse. They will kill more. They are not going to stop. Many of you think that, the more you do, the more you whatever, the bandits will not stop. The bandits are becoming more emboldened. They are becoming more emboldened. Kabiru Tele, thank you so much for your kind words. They are becoming more emboldened. They will come, they will enter the mall because nothing. And then these other ones, we have allowed the government to abdicate its responsibilities by not holding it accountable. We are allowing Buhari to get away with everything. Buhari is the commander-in-chief. The buck stops at his table. He's the one responsible for the protection of lives and properties. If you say, it's 2023, let's just wait. How long can you wait? He is destroying. The destruction is more. The more he's destroying, the more problem is going to be. Of what use is it that Buhari is a whether it's Hausa or it's Fulani, I don't even know which one he is. Of what use is it that Buhari is from Katsina State? Of what use is it to the people of Katsina State that Buhari is from Katsina State? There's no use. There's no use. In short, it's a problem to them because the moment he became a state president, the whole of Katsina State even became more, the security risk became higher. Insecurity became higher in Katsina State. Of what use is it to the people of Daura that Buhari is president? The Hakimi, the district head of Daura was abducted, was kidnapped, and for months he was with the kidnappers. Nothing was done. So there's no use. Of what use is it to Arewa, to the north, that Buhari is president? I say it's been useless to the region. There is more hunger. There is more poverty. There is more unemployment. There is more insecurity. Haba mana. Haba jama'a. So what use is it? There's no use. Keep it in there and keep it quiet and say, namu ne. Idan baka ga naka gaskiya ba wa zaka ga gaskiya. If you don't tell your own the truth, who are you going to tell? Who are you going to tell? Usman, hello, how are you? And thank God that you're not being deceived by me. God bless you. May you not be deceived. Continue. So if you don't tell your own the truth, who are you going to tell? On the day of judgment, do you think that on the day of Hisab, they are going to exempt Buhari because he's old? Or because he's from Arewa? Or because he's a Muslim? Or because he's from Daura? No, he's not. He will soon leave that villa. Inshallah, it's just a matter of days. He will get there. What then happens? What then happens? They're gonna say me. Other than yunwa da masifa da azaba meye ya haddasa a ƙasar Nigeria. He did not help. We have Almajirai. What are we doing to get Almajirai off the streets? What are we doing to get the teenagers off the streets? Yara suna kan titi, ba uwa ba uba. An bar su akan titi tun suna ƙanana, ba su san soyayyar mahaifi ba su san soyayyar mahaifiya ba su san uwa ta rungume su ba ta nema musu abin da suke so, ba su san uba ya rungume su ba ya nema musu abin da suke so. Kawai an zubar da su akan titi suna yawo. Wani yaro tun yana shekara 3 ya fara ciyar da kanshi. Yau ya kai shekara 15 ko 16 ko 17 ko 18. Shin kuna ganin idan zai kona mutane a cikin mota zai ji wani abu ne a zuciyar shi? Ba zai ji komai ba. Dan ba a taba nuna mishi soyayya ba, bai san yadda soyayya take ba. Ba a taba nuna mishi soyayya ba. Kuma da ni da kai da ni da ke, da ni da ku, ranar tashin kiyama, ranar hisabi sai fa an tambaye mu me muka yi? Me muka yi game da yaran nan? Ta yaya muka taimaka musu?
Muhammadu Buhari will be one president after he left. His legacy is going to fight him, speak for him morning, afternoon, evening. He is going to hear the cry of all the innocent souls, even in his sleep, while eating, anywhere. It's going to look like a film on him, but believe me, time shall tell. Referendum is what the people need. Please, you people should also tell Muhammadu Buhari that he should allow the Biafrans to go. Grant referendum and release His Excellency Nnamdi Kanu. Please deliver the message to him. Thank you so dearly, everyone, for watching. I really do appreciate. Do well to share this video, like and subscribe if you haven't. I still remain Agatha Progress, bringing it to you live and direct. See you when I see you. From me to you, I say bye.